Millions of Australians have been given a breather from interest rate pain. After 3 consecutive hikes, the Reserve Bank is keeping its official cash rate on hold at 4.35%. But the RBA is warning more pain could be on the way.
Fruit shop owner Daniel Flaminio is worried consumer spending's going pear-shaped. But today,
there it is. As expected by many economists, rates on hold.
Some relief.
I guess everyone's relieved. We've had 3 rate increases this year, so we needed a bit of good news.
The Reserve Bank keeping rates on hold at 4.35%. The board's decision unanimous, but the inflation battle far from won.
I want to be very clear that inflation remains too high. We might have to do more. I'm just not ruling that out.
Buying time with the rest of the world to see what comes from Donald Trump's promise of an Iran peace deal on Friday, whether petrol prices come down and when the financial impact of the war will fade.
We're realistic about how long it will take for the global economy to normalise and what that means for us.
The banks divided on what comes next. The Commonwealth, NAB and ANZ all predicting no further rises this year and 2 cuts next year. Westpac predicting 2 more rises this year and 2 cuts, but not until 2028.
There's that risk that they have to go further in August and September.
November board meeting might be a good time to expect that.
And crunch time is fast approaching for the fuel excise cut. The government indicating it'll make a decision next week on whether to end it or extend it beyond the end of the month.
We'll give consideration to those matters.
That relief won't go on forever, but we will continue to review it between now and the end of the month.
The 32 cent a litre cut due to end on June 30. Daniel Flaminio says his customers are already tightening their belts.
Instead of buying premium fruits, they're looking for value for money.
And looking to bag a bargain. The Reserve Bank Governor is also warning Australians not to be alarmed if economic growth slips even further over coming months. She says that is something that has to happen to get inflation down. The hope is, though, that it doesn't force mass job losses. Keeping unemployment low is the second of the RBA's major objectives after inflation. And Michele Bullock also had a timely reminder for the government today. Inflation was a big problem for our economy well before this war started, and it will continue to be a big problem well after it ends. Tim.